Welcome guys, I'm Matty Mac from the Oz Affiliate here. Just regarding a new Clickfunnels virtual seminar. The 2 Comma Club Awards are back and they are doing it virtually, which is awesome, which means we can all sort of see what's going on. I could never get over to America myself, but by having a virtual event, it's going to make it all a lot easier for us to go and hang out with 2 Comma Club winners. Now, for those who don't know, a 2 Comma Club, you get a 2 Comma Club award if a sales funnel that you build or that you own does more than $1 million in sales. Then you get what they call a 2 Comma Club award. And every year they invite all the winners to go up on stage and get their awards. And along with that, they have a whole bunch of speakers and sort of motivational and entrepreneurs and all that sort of thing. So it's going to be really good. What caught my attention about this one is we'll have a quick look at this sales video. I won't watch the whole thing, but I'll leave a link below if you want to watch the whole video. But there's a really good sort of offer that they do. It's going to be $197 to do a 3-day event, but you don't pay now. And if you go through the seminar and you think it's not worth it, they will not charge you for it. So it's really, there's no risk whatsoever. It is going to be worth it, judging by all the other events that they do. It's well worth, $200, but have a quick look. I'll leave the link below. Have a quick look at this sales video and see what you think.
How would you like to experience this from your living room? If you know anything about our events, they are crazy. They're high energy and packed with some of the most successful entrepreneurs on the planet. So, how are we going to pull this off? Well, we're going virtual, because right now, more than ever, we need the strategies, connections, and the motivation to secure and to scale our businesses.
So they're sort of going to bring on the whole COVID, the fact that we can't get out there and meet people face to face. They're going to bring that into the seminar, and it's going to give us a new way of learning, new way of teaching. So,
for many of us, this lack of movement, travel, networking, and action has been difficult. It's caused all types of problems, many of which we have no control over. But the only thing we can control is how we react. And how we react is determined by what we know. We need to know how to sell our products and our services online. We need to know how to build deeper relationships with our audiences, and we need to know how to adjust to this new economy.
So very important stuff. And it's stuff that we're all going to learn. So it's going to be a good event. And so as I said, watch that whole video. I'll leave the link below. Just watch the whole video. But if we just go and see what's going to be at that conference. So presentations by a whole bunch of entrepreneurs and experts within their field. Way to run your business, so tips and tricks on how you can run your online business. So multiple days, ignites finding your own voice and finding your audience. So there's people with that. How to master sort of sales funnels, how you can build them, what to put in them, and how you can tailor it to your specific product. Again, talking about it. And then scaling. So once you do get it right, how you can scale your own business. So it's going to be a really good, lots of speakers that we've seen in the past as well. Very successful. Networking. And as I said, no risk. So you'll sign up, you'll put in your details, put in your credit card. It's $197. You won't get charged until after the conference. You'll go through the conference, and if you don't like it, you just need to send them an email saying, hey, that's not worth it, and they will not charge you. So it really is risk-free. So as I said, I'm going to leave the link below. Watch the video and see what you think, and comment and let us know if you're going to attend, because I'll see you there.